Today, we're diving into one of the hottest topics in the drone world, the upcoming DJI Neo2, a next-generation ultralight drone that has the entire aerial photography and videography community buzzing. DJI, widely recognized as the global leader in drone innovation, has once again raised expectations with what looks to be a significant step forward for lightweight consumer drones. Recently, a DJI Neo2 passed FCC certification in the United States, which is usually the final hurdle before any major tech product is released. This milestone not only confirms the existence of the Neo2, but also validates many of the leaks, insider rumors, and early prototype sightings that have been circulating over the past year. And as seasoned drone followers know, FCC listings are almost always a sure sign that launch day is right around the corner. In today's detailed breakdown, we're going to cover absolutely everything you need to know about this drone, from design changes, durability upgrades, advanced camera performance, improved flight times, eye-powered flight safety, smarter transmission systems, pricing strategy, and even its place in DJI's overall drone ecosystem. Whether you're a beginner looking for your very first drone, a travel vlogger trying to capture stunning cinematic shots on the go, or a professional creator who needs a compact backup drone, this video will give you the complete picture of why the DJI Neo2 is shaping up to be one of the most exciting drone releases of 2025. The legacy of the DJI Neo series. The original DJI Neo made headlines because it broke barriers in accessibility, weighing in at under 250 grams. It cleverly sidestepped strict aviation regulations in many countries, including FAA registration requirements in the United States. That detail alone made it incredibly appealing to hobbyists, casual flyers, and travelers who wanted to fly legally in more regions without the bureaucratic hassle. Its compact form factor, beginner-friendly controls, and decent imaging performance earned it praise as a perfect entry-level drone. However, despite its popularity, the first-generation Neo did face limitations in areas like flight time, stability, transmission range, and overall camera quality compared to DJI's more premium models, such as the DJI Mini 3 Pro, Air 3, or the Mavic 3 Classic, now with the Neo 2. DJI seems determined not only to refine those weaknesses, but also to add new features that bridge the gap between casual flyers and serious content creators. In other words, the Neo 2 may serve as the sweet spot between affordability, portability, and professional-grade results, design upgrades, and build quality. One of the standout rumored changes is the dual-layer propeller guard system. At first glance, this may seem like a minor update, but in practical use, it's a huge safety upgrade. Beginner drone pilots often make mistakes like clipping trees, bumping walls, or misjudging landings. The reinforced propeller guards will help minimize damage, not only protecting the drone itself, but also adding a layer of safety for indoor flights, or when kids and families are around. This move positions the DJI Neo 2 as potentially the safest, consumer-friendly drone in the sub-250 grams category. It's a bold step that could expand its target audience beyond just hobbyist educators. Parents and even first-time flyers could see this as a worry-free way to explore aerial photography. On top of safety, leaked images hint at a slightly more aerodynamic and robust body design, possibly inspired by the DJI Mini line. A sturdier build means better durability, reduced wind resistance, and potentially quieter flight operation. All of these factors make the Neo 2 far more versatile than its predecessor. Camera enhancements. A leap forward for most creators. The camera is the heart of the drone, and this is where the DJI Neo 2 looks like it will deliver the biggest upgrades. Early reports suggest it will feature a 1.3-inch CMOS sensor, which is a significant leap from the original Neo's smaller sensor size. Here's why this matters. Low light performance. With more light captured per pixel, sunrise and sunset, shots will look dramatically better. Dynamic range. Details in both bright skies and darker foregrounds will be preserved, creating more cinematic visuals. Sharper imaging. Expect cleaner details, less noise, and more natural color reproduction. Video is also taking a huge step forward, with rumors strongly pointing toward 4K at 60 frames per second. This is a massive deal for such a lightweight drone, putting it on par with higher-end DJI models when it comes to smooth cinematic content. On top of hardware upgrades, DJI may also introduce AI-assisted image processing. Imagine the drone automatically fine-tuning exposure, white balance, and sharpness in real time. For beginners, this means instant professional-looking shots without hours of editing. While advanced users will still benefit from cleaner base footage to work with, improved flight time and battery capacity has also seen an upgrade. The Neo2 is listed with a 1660 mAh battery at 7.16 volts, which is about 10.7% larger than the original Neo's power pack. The expected flight time? Around 20 to 25 minutes per charge. While that may not sound like a huge jump from the Neo's 18 minutes, those extra few minutes can be the difference between capturing the perfect shot and missing it. For creators on the go, every extra second in the air counts. DJI may also release intelligent charging hubs for the Neo2, allowing users to carry multiple batteries and rotate them efficiently during shoots. This kind of ecosystem support is what sets DJI apart from budget competitors. Smarter flight features and AI safety systems. DJI has always led the way in autonomous flight features, and the Neo2 is expected to continue this legacy. Rumored features include active track subject tracking, letting the drone lock onto a person, vehicle, or pet. Quick shot cinematic presets, such as orbit, droney, and rocket modes for professional-looking shots at the tap of a button. One touch. Camera maneuvers, making advanced flight paths easy for new users. But perhaps the most exciting leap is in safety systems. Unlike the original Neo, which lacked sophisticated obstacle avoidance, the Neo2 may come with sensors on the front, back, and bottom. This would allow the drone to intelligently detect and avoid collisions, massively reducing crash risks for beginners. If true, this would make the DJI Neo to one of the most forgiving drones in its category, a game changer for people intimidated by drone flying, transmission system, and FPV experience. Another limitation of the original Neo was its basic Wi-Fi-based transmission system, which restricted range and sometimes introduced laggy, unstable video feeds. For the Neo2, DJI appears to be upgrading this system significantly. Rumors suggest either an enhanced Wi-Fi 6 protocol or even a simplified version of DJI's OIV transmission system. In practice, this would mean lower latency, smoother, real-time, first-person view, FPV flying, stronger stability, less interference, especially in crowded urban environments, longer range allowing safer flights over open landscapes for vloggers, real estate creators, and travel filmmakers. These improvements will make a massive difference in the quality and reliability of aerial footage. Pricing, competition, and market position. The original Neo launched at $289, making it one of the most affordable drones in DJI's lineup. For the Neo2, most reports predict a slightly higher price. It's likely in the $299 to $349 range. At this price, it competes with drones like the Autel, Evo Nano, Hubsan, Zeno Mini, and Fimi X8 Mini. But DJI's reputation for build quality, software support, and user experience gives it a competitive edge. Essentially, the Neo2 could become the default recommendation for anyone seeking the best sub-250G drone under $350. Release date expectations. So, when can we expect the DJI Neo2, given that FCC certification has already been granted? History suggests an official launch is imminent. DJI oftentimes new product announcements around major consumer tech events or the fall season to capture holiday sales. A reasonable guess would be a late 2025 release window, possibly in September or October, aligning with DJI's usual schedule for consumer drone launches. Final thoughts? Why the DJI Neo2 matters? The DJI Neo2 isn't just a small upgrade, it's shaping up to be a major milestone in lightweight drone innovation. By combining portability, professional-grade imaging, improved durability, smarter safety features, and longer flight times, all while staying under 250 grams, DJI may have created the perfect balance for casual and professional users alike.